And fam, we are back. We all know what it's for. Limitless360, level 4, I think it is. If it isn't, don't care. We'll figure it out. So, I like this one. This is aligned with me. It's all about getting outside and getting moving. So we're going to move the body. Mark Horvison talks about Richard Branson. If you don't know him, suss him out, have a read. Massive entrepreneur. Definitely recommends exercise. So I'm going to run the tan. We've got to do 2 miles. This is about 3.8. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to enjoy it and hopefully get some snippets along the way. And I'll see you at the end, peeps. Love ya. Here we go. So you can run 2 ways the tan. You can either go the hard way or the easy way. Today I've, decided to go the easy way because I haven't done shit in ages. So to the hardest section of the course, it's a massive hill. So you can either hit it at the start of your run and go down, or you can go the other way and hit this bad boy. I don't know if you can really tell how big it is from the camera view, but just trust me, if you do it and you run up that thing, you're dead. The finisher. All right, you flip around that corner down that hill. Look at that, you got the lovely Yarra down there. I know it's a bit hard because I'm bobbing up and down, but I am running, getting it done. And just in there is the Botanical Gardens. Magnif, if you want to go in there, spend some time relaxing, reading a book, I don't know, doing whatever. Okay, I'm out. Time to kick on. Looking for ideas, how to stay fit. Guess what, there's a hill. Find any hill, do some sprints up it. It doesn't take much. There's the MCG over there. Not really sure if you can see it. I'm not going to slow down because I'm trying to hit my goal and I'm jogging. I'm a bit like that, like once I start, she's going to keep going. So, new record time, D Hinkley. Thanks for coming. See you in a bit. And there's the CBD. Right there, so happy days. Don't know if you can see it. See at the back there's a bit of rainbow and colours. It's actually Riverside Skate Park. Back in the day, that's where I come down with my mates. When I used to be a skegger. It's not a good word. Skegger. I used to be a skateboarder, little grommet, and I remember all the older guys were doing, board slides, Smith's grinds, nose grinds, off this massive rail. So, of course, Damien doesn't have the same skill set, but really wants to match it with them. I thought I'd try a board slide, so tried it, got pretty much all the way down, slid out, split my chin open. Thanks for coming, but I went up again and nailed it the second time, and I was never able to do it again since. So it just goes to show you, get back up, visualize it, go again. I'm really loving this run. It's going to be real good when I'm done. That is a slow burn up that hill. So that's the Shrine of Remembrance over there, guys. It's a nice sight to see on the run. You can, when we have a Remembrance Day, you can head over there at dawn and celebrate all the Anzacs and the dawn service. So really great way to pay tribute. As you can tell, getting into this run, there's the entrance into Royal Botanic Gardens. So yeah, if you go the way I showed you with the downhill, you can go that way, but then it hits you with the slow, gradual run back up the way that you see me going now, or you can go the other way and go down the gradual hill and then finish off on the Punisher, that big hill at the end that I showed you at the start. So I'll see you in a bit. Just going to trickle down in to the finish line. Yeah, we did it. I'm going to walk it out. I'll see you in a minute. All right, we're back. As you can see, we're a little bit sweaty. Really enjoyed it. I feel really good. I feel accomplished. I feel like, I just feel really good. Yeah, you know what it's like, guys, when you do a bit of exercise. I don't need to tell you. We've all done a little bit at some point in our life. So what else have you got to do at the moment if you're quarantined in? These games are fun. Like, I've just been for a 2 mile run, 3.8k run, whatever you want to call it. The fact of the matter is I got up off my butt and I've smashed out some exercise, and I can tell you what, once I get home, do a little bit of stretching, might have a nibble, who knows, and sit me tush on the couch, I want to feel really good about myself. And that's a good feeling. Everyone likes to feel good about themselves. So if you haven't already, join my team. All the information you need below is in the description. Start having some fun. Start having some fun. See you around. Don't know if this will get in there. Starting to trickle down, starting to rain a little bit. I just wanted to add, these games are for anyone that's looking to develop personally, looking to hone their financial skills, looking a way to market themselves or market their business, looking to generate leads. You may be looking to generate an income. You may be wanting to start a new business. You might be wanting to grow a new business. As you progress through Salesvision, the more content and the more learnings that they give you, I mean, you get more, rewind. The more that you go through the levels and the higher you get, the more value the training is worth. Like, wait till you get to this Solomon CEO stuff that Mark Orbison's created. That shit's hectic. Again, I was lucky enough to sneak into a live, and Vincent did some training and showed us an excerpt from it, and man, it was just dropping bombs, and I was just like just mind bombs, bomb. So another good reason to get on it. I'll leave you alone. Hooroo.